Floor Grip Medic. This is our pool deck resurfacing and coating process. This is step number one. What we're doing is we're removing this existing coating, which you see on about 99% of pool decks. We're removing it down to the original concrete as you see here. So this is step number one. All of that dust goes into a vacuum. So it's pretty much dustless, 95%. Hey folks, so this is step two. What we're doing now, once we remove the coating, is we go around and we fill in any cracks we find with our two-part product. Once that dries, we're gonna level it out with the hand grinder. So now folks, you see us, we're now grinding the filler that we put in on the crack. So this will smooth it out, give it a nice seamless look, nice seamless finish. So folks, I just wanted you to see now what it looks like once we fill in all of the cracks. So take a look here, crack joints, we smooth it out, see, nice and smooth. Floor Grip Medic. So this is the next step, guys. What we're doing here is we're applying our rubberized coating. Now when I say rubberized, it's liquid initially, and as it dries hard like a truck tire. So what this product will do is seal and waterproof the surface of the concrete, prolonging the life of it. As you can see, folks, we're throwing the final flake, which is the second layer of our three-layered system. This color here is called Cabin Fever. So we'll let that sit for a couple of hours, and then we're gonna come back, we'll scrape it, vacuum any excess flake, put our top coat down with our anti-slip grit inside. All right, folks, so this is the last step before we put the top coat on. What we're doing now is we're removing any excess flake from the floor, make it nice and smooth, and then we're gonna put our top coat down, and that'll be the final step. Hey folks, Floor Grip Medic here. So we are putting on the final coat, the clear coat, top coat. This is the final step. You can see we've already done this entire area here. All right, folks, so this is it. The final coat has been put down. This is the final product here. Came out absolutely beautiful. We have the top coat. You can see there's a bit of a sheen. Inside that, we put an anti-slip grit. This is the final step.